Here's a little later model sports car at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2006 Pontiac Solstice convertible. Nice looking car. 2-owner car, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirms the mileage. Mileage is a little under 21,000 miles. I believe this color, they had a silver and a gray. I think this was the Sly, they called it, if I remember right. Underneath the hood, 2.4 liter dual overhead cam, 4-cylinder, that is paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. As you can see, paint on the car is nice. You'll find a few very small little rock chips, but overall very clean car. Ebony leather interior in it. This car does have AC, power steering, power brakes, power windows, power mirrors, horsepower. Quite nicely equipped, let's put it that way. Check out the still pictures. You can see the underside, you can see the engine bay, interior, trunk compartment from the top's up. Check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. See up and down the passenger side here. Car is in nice shape. Not full of dings and nicks, scratches. Interior also in nice shape. Seats don't show much for wear, about what you'd expect out of a 20,000 mile car. AM, FM, CD player, steering wheel controls for the radio and driver's information center on the steering wheel. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Top on this one is black. Of course, the Solstice had a manual top, very easy to fold up and down. One person can do it from one side of the car. It is a black cloth top. Like I said, it is in good shape. I'm going to start this up and we'll pause it and I'll pop that top up so we can take a peek at it too, show you what kind of shape that's in. Obviously riding on alloy wheels. Up and down the driver's side, also free of really any significant chips, dings, or scratches. Alright, let's check this interior out a little bit here. We'll start it out and look at that top too. So like I was saying, power windows, power mirror, I should say power mirrors, both driver and passenger outside. Here would be for your driver's information center, stereo, volume controls, channel. As you can see, this seat where the bolster and everything's at, not full of wear, tear, anything like that. Let's go ahead and start this up. Check out the exact mileage. It's 20,009 something. You can see, there you go, 20,903. No warning indicators of any sort on. The only one you see lit up there is my seat belt, but I gotta slip that on just sitting in here. So no check engine lights, warning indicators, anything like that. Stereo works fine. AC blows cold. Wipers work. This car's set up and ready to go. Starting enjoying it with the top down. Stock exhaust, stock engine. No modifications been done with that. Just what you expect it to sound like. Now, like I said, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop that hood. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to fold up the top too so you can see the condition of the top too. So give me a second. Be right back. All right. Hood popped. Nice and clean and tidy on here. This car obviously hasn't been driven in any sort of winter weather or anything like that. It doesn't look like it's hardly been off the rain. So no significant inclement weather either. 2.4 liter Ecotech variable valve technology, dual overhead cam, 4-cylinder reliable engines, good running reliable engines. Not a lot of weight to this car, so we'll move them right along. Fun summer car. All right, take a look at the top. Have it in place, like I said, black cloth top, and again, free of rips, tears. Very nice shape. Slip around to the other side, and you can see this in the still pictures too. I got still pictures from every angle of this car, probably 100 pictures online of it. That's no rip or tear or anything there, just a little bit of wear from where it folds up in the back, but it's not any sort of rip or hole or anything like that. Just a slight wear area where it folds in the back. So there you go. 2006 Pontiac Solstice, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no indication of accidents. Miles are correct, just under 21,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.